The Hotel Job Redesign Initiative is a collaboration initiated by Workforce Singapore with Singapore Tourism Board and our tripartite partners, Singapore Hotel Association and Food, Drinks and Allied Workers Union. Putting workers in the centre of transformation, we piloted various job redesign projects with the support of our appointed consultant. Amidst the tightening of manpower, it was very encouraging. The hoteliers earnestly agreed to work with us. It is important for everyone to come together to support industry transformation.
Like most other industries in Singapore, the hotel industry is faced with the challenge of manpower shortages, but with more critical impact because hospitality is a service-orientated industry which is heavily dependent on manpower in many areas.
While Singapore aims to operate efficiently to capitalise on the rising visitors' arrival, we need to also focus on nurturing talents we have at hand.
Before job redesign, each staff was focused on a single job role, and this compromised our efficiency in terms of service promptness and timely delivery during busy periods. The difficulty in hiring for service role, changing industry and customer expectation spurred us to begin the JR journey.
In the past, I focused mainly on my bellhop duties, but I saw that I needed to play a larger role as the hotel industry is changing. With job redesign, I am now a bellhop and a security officer. My focus is not only on providing guests with a memorable experience, but also to ensure their safety.
Our guest service ambassador team used to have very limited resources, and this affected our guest experience. The turning point came when we were unable to fill the manpower needed, and operational hours were stretched. We decided to optimize the usage of Aura, our automated room service associate, to free up some of the manual chores from our ambassadors.
With more time on hand, the opportunity also came for me to try my hand at a different role in the hotel. Now, I can be assigned to both front office and housekeeping whenever the need is greater. With this, I feel more empowered to better serve guests and have a better understanding of the entire guest experience journey.
Previously, filling up the front desk for operations was a challenge due to the unique skill sets required and the tight labour market. Many times, the team found it tough to keep up with the surge in requests during the busy periods. We decided that change was needed when the staff turnovers became apparent.
I have never checked in or checked out a guest before. Thankfully, I had a great colleague who are very willing to teach, mentor, be patient with me. There are also training guide in place so that I could learn the required skill easily.
We used to deal with a lot of paperwork facilitating requests from various business units. The work process was too time-consuming and definitely not an effective method to track and keep records. Digitalizing internal process helps eliminate the paper trails significantly. Our new procurement system has also helped to speed up purchasing by streamlining the approval process.
The new system has significantly optimized my work process. We take 40% less time to create new projects without printings or filing. I feel more empowered as well. We have the opportunity to focus on managing our suppliers and ensuring the quality of products we procure.
We observed during peak days, our housekeeping team is very stretched in getting rooms ready. To streamline the process, we decided to form a task force. After much study, the task force devised a two-man team equipped with a motorized trolley and a standard single package for each cleaning trip. It also conducted a time motion study to determine the most efficient sequence of the tasks and trained the housekeeping team on the new process.
The improved quality of rooms is a big motivational factor. I find myself trying where possible to look out for even more innovative ideas to improve guest satisfaction and my team's performance.
For any hotel considering job redesign, it is important to keep an open mind for changes and patient for successes, since its benefit may not be visible immediately.
Everyone saw how the same task can be shared between several departments by redefining the purpose of the work.
And team members have higher levels of confidence with an additional skill set that may lead to career progression.
We are pleased that camaraderie among the housekeeping team has strengthened as they now work closer as a team.
and even provide career longevity for an aging workforce.
Don't think twice. Just brainstorm and do it.